Midea Laundry Division is a household electrical appliances enterprise affiliated with the first white appliance enterprise of the Forbes Fortune 500. Midea Group, which specializes in professional research and development and manufacture of laundry appliances. In Wuxi, Hefei, we have 2 large-scale production bases, 11 full auto production lines, 5 front-loading washer production lines, 2 tumble dryer production lines, and 6 twin-tub washer production lines. It has 18 million of total annual output capacity in combination with the most mature robot production line Yaskawa in business and Scott assembling product line. The production and sales have broken 14.3 million units for Midea Laundry Division in 2016, since the first full automatic washing machine was born here in 1978. Its export volume ranks the top in Chinese washing machine industry and becomes one of the largest washing machine production bases and export bases in China. In China, Midea Laundry Division owns 35 product centers and 5 sales companies, and the after-sales network spreads across the country. And abroad, it has 16 branches now, and the products have exported to 156 countries and regions globally. It is actively developing strategic cooperation with large enterprises domestic and abroad, has successfully entered the Japanese, American, and EU markets, and the assets have increased to $1.79 billion in 2015 from $195 million in 2009. The export volume ranks the top in Chinese washing machine industry, far ahead of others in the same industry. According to the statistics, the value of Midea brand has been more than 67.4 billion yuan, and the value of Little Swan brand has been over 22 billion RMB. Midea Washing Machine Business Division has 5 high-tech enterprises. It is capable to provide the solutions that meet customers' requirements. It owns abundant manufacturing equipment, scientific production distribution, the most leading automatic production line in industry, open technology innovation system, and sufficient capacity and output. Midea Laundry Division owns leading detection and test laboratories in the industry, and the first product laboratory in Asia, which passes certification of Germany VDE Laboratory. With industry-leading quality, Midea Laundry Division establishes a good image in the industry and among customers. Through cooperation with industry, Midea Laundry achieves complementary advantages and vigorously upgrades the global influence and comprehensive competition strength in respect of brand, technology, channel and manufacturing, etc. Moreover, it develops series of multi-industry strategic cooperation and produces many products of excellent quality and with abundant selling points. In overseas region, it successively launches complete range of innovative products, North America products, that conform to the local market requirements so as to offer more comfortable, convenient, and personalized life experience to more consumers. Through domestic and overseas famous exhibition, Midea Laundry popularizes the image of enterprise and brand, creates complete pre-sales, sales, and after-sales service chain, and provides different products and service solutions for clients in more than 160 countries and regions. Midea Laundry Division will also practice the enterprise spirit of openness, harmony, practicability, and innovation. we will continuously explore and create the largest value for enterprise and clients to help more families in the world to enjoy the beautiful future.